Hi and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to show you this wig. This is a brand new wig from Ellen Wille. It's part of the Prime Power collection. Now, that means it is a blend of heat-friendly, synthetic, and human hair. This wig was provided to me for review by Wig Studio One, so be sure to go there and you will find all the ordering information at Wig Studio One. I will also put that information in the drop-down box below. Okay, let's get started and look at Ellen Wille Elegance Mono, and this color is Bernstein Rooted. Okay, let's just talk about these fibers before we really get into the wig. I want to talk to you about the Prime Power collection and these blended fibers. Now, they are a 60-40 blend, meaning they are 60% heat friendly and they're 40% human hair. Now, to me, I have had these wigs before. I have Ellen Wille Adore in several colors, and I have had that wig for years. It still looks just as good as it did when it was new. I've taken very good care of it. Yes, you have to apply heat to these wigs just like you do any heat-friendly fibers. However, it's done a little differently. So we're going to talk about all these things. Why I like them, one thing I like is these have style memory. If you use a heating tool on these wigs, keep it at around 300 degrees. Now that is Ellen Wille's recommendation, so I want you to keep that in mind. You will use some heat protectant on these wigs. They recommend the Beauty Mark products. I will put a picture up here somewhere showing you what they recommend for washing and for heat protectant on these wigs. Now, with the style memory, if I put a curl in this, now I want to put some barrel curls in this. I think it'll be so pretty in this style. I can wash it several times and keep that memory. That is a good thing about these blended, in my opinion. Now, just keep in mind, this is all my opinion. I like the blended fibers. Some people do, some people do not. That is your personal opinion. I, however, do. Again, heat tools, 300 degrees, and use the heat protectant. Remember, there is human hair in this wig. Now, they also recommend that you wash this every 6 to 8 wears, and that's just a general rule of thumb that I use on all my wigs, whether they're synthetic or these blends. I usually wash them every 6 or 8 times. I want to show you the back of this hair. This wig, now it comes parted in the middle, just like this. I wanted to make sure you see how it comes out of the box. However, I'm going to style mine over to the side a little bit, although I have started to really enjoy styles that are down the middle. I didn't think I could ever wear a middle part, but I've had several wigs lately that have middle parts, and I've been enjoying them. Now, you can also blow dry this hair. Be sure to use medium heat if you choose to do that. You don't have to. And these fibers tend to tangle less than synthetic or regular heat friendly because they do have the human hair. However, I still carry a wide tooth comb with me, and I brush through it during the day and at night. Just like I do with my synthetics or my blends, I spray the ends with some detangling spray in the evening when I take it off, just to make sure I keep it in the best shape I can. Let's talk a little bit about this style. Again, this is Elegance Mono. I am going to put it on with a headband. Now, you know, I put on every wig I own with a headband. I like them. I think they're fun. I think they're just an easy way to change it up, to add a little something to your outfit. I do that. This wig, and I'm going to show you the inside of the cap, and I'm going to show you the color outdoor, everything I normally always do. But this cap is a mono top and a lace front, extended lace front. It's a double mono top. We're going to look at that too. And it's also this enclosed wefting on this wig. I'm going to spray it with a little water because, you know, that's just my process. And you can see I can get my hands in here. This, guys, this is the best of both worlds. You get this synthetic wig made with synthetic and human hair. It looks like human hair. It feels like human hair. It really is the best of both worlds. Now, this wig, fits me. I have a 21 1/4 inch head circumference. This fits me fine. However, this has a lot of stretch. They recommend that this will stretch to a 22 1/2. So I want to make sure. They say it will go up to an average large, a 22 1/2. I have a 21 1/4. Fits me perfectly, but I like to tell you how that it will stretch, and like I said, Ellen Wille says it goes up to a 22 1/2. Okay. I'm going to put mine on with some glasses. I always do that. It's just so comfortable. It is just so comfortable. And just to run your hands through here so easily. Like I said, no tangling, or very little tangling. Not like you would have with a regular synthetic. Just going to pull it back. This color, if you're not familiar with Bernstein Rooted, this is such a beautiful wearable color. Now I want to show you the hairline here. You will see some knotting. Keep in mind, I am super fair and I'm under these lights, but I just want you to see that. Coverage is there and there. So it has good coverage. I don't really even have to pull any down the way this is made. If I want to pull this off my face, I can do that. Now the front of this is 7 inches. So I want you to see that. Front of this is 7. The crown on this one is 10 inches. Sides are 8. It has a 3 1/4 inch nape, and it weighs 3.6 ounces. So pretty. Now, Bernstein Rooted, 12, 26, 27. Lightest brown, as you can see. Then it has this light golden blonde going through, and it also has dark strawberry blonde, and then on these shaded roots. Look at the rooting here. Perfect. There's no way this rooting is overdone. This is perfect rooting. I like just the little bit of the golden blonde. I feel like it really brightens things up on this wig. And then again, like I said, the dark strawberry blonde running through. Here's the inside of the cap of Elegance, like we were talking about. Large mono top. It is a double mono. It has this tulle fabric over the top, so this is very comfortable. If you do not have hair or you have a sensitive scalp, this is very comfortable. Extended lace front. Closed ear tabs. You see the elastic is covered. It is a covered wefted cap. Enclosed wefts. Extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. And like we discussed, this has stretch, and Ellen Wille says this will stretch to a 22 1/2. Just another look at Bernstein Rooted. So let's just talk about, again, a few of the things that, in my opinion, make these special. Less tangling. It's not shiny. You can look at that. Definitely not shiny. Style memory. Big deal for me. I love that I can put some curls in here and wash it several times and keep that. Again, though, I want to remind you, you will need to apply heat to this just like you would your regular heat-friendly fibers to keep the ends looking good. So you will need to use some heat on the ends of this. Now, it does not react to humidity. Another huge thing. So you can wear this hair out. It's not going to get bigger. It's not going to fall flat. It's going to keep its style. It has the look and feel of human hair. It is gorgeous. I hope you enjoyed this look at this new style from Ellen Wille. I really hope and will encourage you to try one of these blends if you haven't already. Yes, I understand they are pricey, but in my opinion, they are worth it. You will get a lot of wear out of this wig, which it should with normal wear and care. It should last you a long time. I just do believe it is worth the investment, and art wigs, they are definitely an investment. Thanks for joining me today. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Leave me some comments. If you've tried these blends, let me know. Tell me below. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.